Hello, my name is Saya Gordon. I am a third-year student at UH Manoa, and I am double majoring in biology and Japanese, and then having a minor in the honors program. Currently, I am studying abroad at JFOU, also known as John Frederick Obudin University, or the Japanese name Obudin Daigaku. I am taking my core class that I had to take a placement exam and interview for, then reading, writing, and experimental activities. And that is like a class where I get to focus on learning the Japanese culture through like hands-on or field trip activities. So for example, there may be a chance that we get to go to the Ramen Cup Museum to learn about how is food manufactured here in Japan. Research that I have participated in and still am is being a research assistant for the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department at UH Manoa. So I look at the wastewater side of water quality samples. And then two, I am a research assistant for the Hawaii Institute of Marine Biology. So that is like my honors project, and I'm currently working on that proposal. Number three, I am a research assistant for the CTAR department and looking at algae. Long-term goals that I have for myself is often split up in three. One is career/education, and that entails me applying for med school, getting accepted, and becoming a doctor. And I currently really want to specialize in OBGYN, so helping the mothers deliver babies and making sure mamas are okay before and after they give birth. And then also just being able to keep up with research. I would love to perform biomedical research on the side. My second goal is to have an active lifestyle, just be able to live a long and healthy life and do things that I always been dreaming of, like hiking more, and also just doing the things that bring me joy in life. Being in the honors program has truly taught me how to become a better student, person, and strengthen my growth mindset to really achieve my short-term goals and long-term goals and just build my momentum to keep going in life. Also made me be a better person because I realized that there's so many people around me, my colleagues, my classmates, who are so passionate about the problems they see or the research gaps or want to highlight things. And to be able to see their passion through their projects, through the proposals, through the presentations, it's truly an honor because they're passionate and then I get passionate, and I think it's amazing feeling to be able to cheer people on because I understand now. I understand why you're so passionate. I now know what you are talking about, and I think that is something priceless. Also, like taking class like the Honors 340 where we learned about the publication process and we really emphasize on ethics. And I think, wow, like ethics is everywhere, and there we talked about situations, about how do you approach ethics. Sometimes what we learn in school really can be applied to real life, and it goes deeper than just the textbooks. And I think realizing that really made school fun. I enjoy being here, and I really want to give it my all. And I feel like once I do that, I get so much more than if I just didn't really put that much effort in. Advice that I'll give to someone who's interested in honors is one, ask for help. So look at the website, look through the portfolios, see if that's something you're interested in. If you have questions, you can always email the honors program or have meetings with them perhaps, and just realize, just talking to them and seeing if this is something that you want to do, is this something that you can incorporate into your major and lifelong goals as well. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Take care, everyone.